Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to watch Netflix with VPN. So if you're in a country or region where Netflix is blocked, or you're trying to have Netflix from a particular country, all you need to do is to go over to your VPN. In our case, we're using Proton VPN. We're going to click on Quick Connect. And what the Quick Connect does is it automatically connects to a country of its choosing. So currently it's in Netherlands, and we can change the server if we want. However, if you want to use a specific country, you can scroll down here and click on it to choose it, but this will be on the paid plan. So we're going to click on change server, and it's currently taking us to Romania. So currently it's in the Romania IP address, and when we refresh this page, you can see that we're currently in the Romanian English Netflix website. And you can also see the currency has changed also to prove that it's currently in Romania. You can go ahead and log in using your account and watch content based on the region which is selected. As we mentioned before, you'll need to pay for a VPN to have a specific location because this chooses a location at random. And when you want to change the server, if you want to try another country, you'll need to wait for about 9-10 minutes to do this. This would definitely be long, so you have the choice to go along with what's available or pay for an option to choose a country of your choice. So this is how you can watch Netflix with VPN. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.